You know what's even more boring than a millennial? Nothing. Don't they ever get tired of being so entitled? Just give them a medal already. They're so great at everything they do. Will you really make those snowflakes melt? If they realize they could never buy a home again, and they certainly would never be able to afford a wonderful pool. This thing's great. Catches every damn thing that floats by and it cleans your pool on a dime. You know why I really love it though? It's flexible, it's inexpensive, and it deals with garbage.
Hey!
Now get off that damn thing and do something with your life.
My fingers are tingly.